What's up, Sussa? Look, why I can't say my intro now? What's up, suspects? How y'all doing today? I came on because I want to talk to you guys today. I seen some disturbing stuff over the weekend. Disturbing stuff over the weekend. So I want to talk to you guys about it. And I'm going to eat because I've been running all morning and haven't eaten. So what I got today, I got me 3 rolled tacos. They're rolled up tacos. So as you can see, my title is going to be, are the subscribers going too far? Yeah, I'm talking about y'all now. I'm part of it too. I'm subscribed to a lot of channels or whatever and stuff, so I'm part of this too. But are they going too far? And what I mean by that is I don't know if any of you guys are familiar with Lady T Sensation, the Flavor Train. Real nice little older woman or whatever and stuff. Her and her mama, she go and visit her mom. Her mom got a channel called Come On In, where she cooks and everything, and they have Sunday dinner every Sunday, and they sit there and jaw jack, as she say. So I don't know the incident with her brother. Let me pray. Excuse me, y'all. Lord, thank you for this food I'm about to eat. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. I'm going to take a bite because I'm starving. But I had to talk to y'all. Hold on. Okay. So, her brother just recently had an operation. And you ask for prayers. You have your prayer warriors in your comment section. But what she is talking about, some of them went as far as locating this man in his hospital room. Oh, excuse me. In his hospital room. That's going above and beyond. So she kind of felt some type of way about it. So she made a video talking to her subscribers, telling them that although she appreciates all of them and what all they do at whatever and stuff, she wants to keep it at a YouTube relationship. Strictly YouTube. Unless, you one of those ones that, they trust and want to talk to and confide in and shit like that. So that goes into that doxing, the new thing now, I guess. I wish it was a little bit spicier, but it got chicken in the middle. I wish it was a little bit spicier. I should have asked for a jalapeno. Yeah, so it goes to this doxing. Finding out people information. They called this man's hospital room to see what type of condition and all of that. That's private. That's going too far. So she made the little video about it or whatnot. Now, what also I've seen over the weekend with the drama that was going on with Philly Phil and Loca Libra. Loca went live first. Then Philly went live. Philly Phil went live. It was people in their comment section telling what the other person was saying on their live. These are humans with feelings, and y'all saw the outcome of that. Feelings got hurt, people got talked about and drugged and everything. I just think that that was coming from the comment section. That was a little bit too much. Y'all kept it going that day. What other stuff I observed? You know, and Lady T Sensation, she was serious. She said she just wants, you guys to keep it at uh, uh um a YouTube relationship. You know, the over concernment. It's cool to, like I say, pray for people and all of that, and you know, and that makes me, question, are we as content creators giving you guys too much information to where you feel like you have every right? I'm just using Lady T Sensation situation to call her brother's hospital room. That's just weird. That's just overstepping your boundaries, I think. But as a creator, are we expressing and showing you guys too much? I mean, it goes both ways. Mm. I was on live last night with Queen Sheba, and she made the comment that she brought the comment section to life, which she did, because all of us had something to say. All of us did. I'm living proof. I was in the comment section. But my thing is, part of the comment section are trolls. Are you considered a troll when, you getting all up in... Yeah, I would say you are. It's cool, to send your little prayers in the comment section or whatever and stuff. But when she said that, they start calling her brother's hospital room, that was just overstepping. When you guys got these people losing their jobs, Google mapping the location of a person's car. I mean, wow. I'm pretty sure when Queen Sheba put that vision out there, it wasn't supposed to be all like this. Excuse me, y'all. I saw that. I'm gonna be like Lips. You're on the right channel, baby. When the flu fly out his mouth. Nah. We never envisioned this. Not tearing people down. Not destroying bits and pieces of their life. Not stalking. I understand that, it was COVID or whatnot and stuff, and, people was bored and, start watching YouTube, because that's when I started. I haven't been too long in this YouTube stuff. There's still some YouTubers I haven't watched. But I gotta, instead of, placing blame on just the subscribers, I gotta, place a little blame on the content creators too. Do we want too much from them? We expect for them to, subscribe, the donations are nice, the loyalty is nice. But to go and ruin somebody's livelihood behind it, that's going too far. And the going back and forth, I got what was being said. You can subscribe to anybody you want to, but don't be in their comment section talking about me and then come over to mine saying how loyal you are. That's where the bullshit. That's the bullshit right there. That's that bullshit. You can't do that. That's just totally... I wouldn't even call it flip-flopping. Bitch, that's suspect. How about that? That's suspect right there. That means you messy. You like the bullshit. I can't deal with the bullshit. This salsa is watery today. It's making my tacos mushy. I wish this came in beef. Well, you know what? I never asked them, did it come in beef? Because I like my chicken seasoned more. I was supposed to be in there finding the, y'all want some? I was supposed to be in there, finding a little birthday gift for my, one of my friends, her grandson turning 1. I told y'all my kids didn't start having parties till they was like about 5 or 6. You gonna remember this party. Well, goddamn, whose car is it? Y'all always hear some kind of sound in my video, huh? Look, here it goes again. This little old shit, they better come on out here, because it ain't gonna have no battery in a minute. Got the nerve to have a damn alarm on this bullshit. I apologize, y'all. Ain't nobody even around this damn car. And this is going off. Is that my signal to stop? Stop talking about these folks? I don't know. And, I saw, Walt and Cindy on vacay. She ain't playing. She booed up. Adrian, they in Florida, bitch. No Walt, know where you squatting at. May get a little knock on your door. She probably looking out the window now. No, she be nosy looking out the window. She ain't looked out the window lately, huh? Because she's hiding. She's squatting. What time is it? Okay. I gotta go in here. I ain't shopped for a baby in so damn long. I think the last time I shopped for a baby is when the baby I'm buying for today, when he was first born. That was the last time I shopped for a baby. So, my son and that grown man shit. Okay. So, I just wanted to address that and talk to you guys for a minute. I gotta go in here and do some shopping. I don't know. I did some shopping at the dispensary this morning. I came out with my bag. My brother was like, "God damn, you smoke, huh?" Hell yeah, I smoke. Oh, I made it in the basket, 2 points. So yeah, I think the comment section need to slow down, take a break. The content creators come up with some content. It's cool to get suggestions. It's cool to get stories. It's always somebody fucking up. Always. And there's always somebody doing something positive. You just got to figure out, are you going to be the messy one? Or are you going to be positive that day? I'm trying to be positive, but you know that damn messy shit, they just be on my back. Because I don't get enough of it out here. I don't got no friends. A couple of little friends I got or whatever and shit, they got their own issues or whatever and stuff. I ain't that type of friend. I don't need to see you every day. I don't need to talk to you every day, and I don't need to see you every day because I got shit 9 times out of 10. I'm busy. You either rolling with me or you talking to me on the phone while I'm rolling. Did I mention? I don't know why my anxiety is up lately. Everybody's situated. I think because I'm finna be 51. My birthday on the 14th of next month. I want to take a little trip. I don't know. Bruce keep on telling me to just tell him where I want to go. Nowhere special because I'm not going to go far from my brother unless my other brother bring his ass out here. Y'all remember, I don't know if y'all ever saw Kings of Comedy when Bernie Mac was telling the judge that both of them was going to take care, him and his brother was going to take care of the kids. Well, this is the agreement that me and my younger brother out of the two had, to take care of our older brother. That motherfucker brought him out here and I ain't seen him since. I ain't seen him since. He called me once. But I got him in his place and stuff. I'm just not going to leave him alone until he has some... I may stick my son off in that damn apartment with him. At least for a weekend so I could just get away. Y'all know I have to smoke. I ain't gonna do a video without smoking. Yes, sir. I bought. Oh, that's too much for YouTube. I was just about to tell y'all what I bought. And got the nerve to have on a raggedy ass t-shirt. I found the raggedy. Well, I gotta wash my clothes, but this the raggediest t-shirt. It got holes all in it or whatever. I had to wear a tank top up under it so you won't see my titties. My nipple won't come out one of the holes. Bruce was like, "Can I have that t-shirt for a rag?" Hell no, I'm still wearing that. And got all kind of clothes with tags in my closet. Sometimes I just don't be feeling like getting dressed. I don't feel like combing my hair. Oh, I'm finished with the wig. I cut it and everything and stuff. I like it. It's black. I like it. But I think I'm gonna throw some bump curls in it, like real loose, whatever, to give it that body type look. Right now it's just looking too flat. And plus I sprayed too much oil sheen on it. So I'm going to give it a few little bumps here and there. I don't know. I might get dressed this week. Sometime this week. I got too much to do. It's the beginning of the week. Beginning of the week, you might see me get, a little cute towards hump day and all of that. Because, that's when date night and all of that shit be happening. So, but Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, forget about it. You can't tell me I ain't motherfucking cute right now. Sure is. I made my dentist appointment. What else? What else? Was I supposed to? Yeah, I made my dentist appointment. I did that. Right before my birthday, so a bitch gonna be smiling on all my pictures. Bruce told me to get off Amazon last night. I was buying unnecessary shit. So I didn't get to the wig section. But I bought some more stuff. Because he said, he was like, pretty soon we going to be looking like we fucking hoarders up in this apartment. It's too small. We can't buy shit else. Our closet is packed. Half of my shit is in my son's closet. Okay. That was my daughter sending me her address. I got to send her some shit. Ain't nobody doing nothing to this car. I'm still waiting for the person to walk up. You know how sometimes you hit your alarm before you get in your car? This motherfucker just going off. Little piece of shit. I don't care. I'm still gonna upload this video. It's fucking ridiculous. I hope y'all enjoyed my little mukbang. My tacos got soggy. I should have told them no sour cream, though. That sour cream gonna fuck me up. Ooh, why I didn't tell them no sour cream. But it got it real soggy, and the salsa was a little wet. But it's homemade, and it is so good. I wish it was just a little bit more spicier. Knowing I didn't want no more Mexican food, I cooked chili verde yesterday with some rice, some Spanish rice, and some pinto beans. Bruce wanted that, but me personally, I was ready for some smothered pork chops. I had a head of cabbage up in there. I got a box of Jiffy Mix. And we could have still had some rice if you had a taste for something with some gravy and rice. You know, we already did fajitas this week. Well, last week. We did fajitas. We did burritos. Come on now. Sunday dinner, I thought I was going to be, eating some cabbage with some tomatoes and onions and cornbread. I still should have fixed that head of cabbage, though. But I'm going to get some turkey wings. My mouth just got juicy. I'm going to do some turkey wings because I like that little wing thingy part. I like eating on those. In the flat. They can have the drum. Okay, let me go in here. The little boy liked this puppy shit. Puppy dog pal or puppy pal. I don't know. It was Barney and motherfucking Dora and Diego when my kids was growing up. Shit. All these little doggy. It's 2 types of dog things out. I gotta look on Facebook to see which one he liked. And plus, here come this motherfucking car again. Alright, nosies. Alright, suspects. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, nosies. Listen to it. It's just going off. They ain't gonna have no battery. They gonna be out here looking for a goddamn junk pretty soon. Alrighty. I'll holla.